In today's fast-paced world, the rate of change is accelerating. From an ever-growing variety of highly personalized products to increasing supply chain volatility, consumer packaged goods companies face mounting pressure to boost speed to market and enhance supply chain resilience. Recent events, whether it be a global pandemic, a container ship blocking the Suez Canal, or natural disasters disrupting the sourcing of key ingredients, have highlighted the need for agile and robust solutions. To address these challenges, Siemens offers an integrated solution that will transform the approach for enterprise recipe management through a comprehensive digital thread. This digital thread seamlessly connects R&D teams to factory operations. It enables touchless recipe transformations, empowering companies to introduce new formulas across multiple factories with minimal manual intervention. At the same time, it provides the product R&D teams with unparalleled visibility into factory capabilities. In the following demonstration, we'll explore 3 distinct scenarios that bring this digital thread to life.
First, let's see how to extract and expose factory resources to a central bill of equipment. Let's begin in the SIMATIC PCS7 engineering system, where automation engineers have defined units, equipment modules, and phases for SIMATIC batch. Here, all execution logic structured according to ISA 88, including all parameters, are seamlessly connected to the underlying automation logic. In this example, we see a complete production cell comprised of the roasting and grinding process for our cold brew coffee plant. With Production Link, we can extract this entire set of information in just one click and begin mapping it to the team center classification structures defined in EasyPlan. The goal is to identify and assign the appropriate pieces of equipment for each phase, classify them, and enter the associated parameters. Certain parameters, such as minimum and maximum temperatures, are automatically extracted from the batch engine, while others like dimensions or equipment type will be added by the local team. This process ensures that factory-specific data is accurately mapped and aligned to corporate standards. It also provides R&D teams with the detailed information they need to generate factory-specific recipes. Next, each phase is linked to its corresponding capability, while local automation parameters are either mapped to the central R&D dictionary or flagged as locally managed parameters. This way, Production Link acts as a translator, converting the factory's specific data into a unified language that integrates seamlessly with R&D systems. Once the mapping process is complete, the unit is published, generating an updated bill of equipment in Team Center. Switching to EasyPlan, we can now view the equipment structure. Confident in its accuracy, we know it fully reflects the available capabilities of the factory. This bill of equipment can now be leveraged by automation rules to generate new recipes or to evaluate supply chain strategies, ensuring confidence in the factory's ability to produce new products effectively at this location. In this second scenario, we'll demonstrate how the digital thread enables the quick and error-free creation, documentation, and deployment of production-ready recipes. The process begins by creating or updating a class recipe, which is a standardized framework for a product family. This recipe contains the essential process characteristics and rules needed to generate individual recipes for specific product variants. The product R&D team can then create a formula card for a new product, defining the product's unique ingredients and specifications. Using RuleStream, the system automatically generates a master recipe for this product variant, tailored to a specific factory and batch size. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments, drastically reducing time and errors. You can see here the entire recipe, with its recipe unit procedures and operations, following the ISA 88 standards. Every operation is associated to the correct factory equipment, shows the materials consumed, and is classified against the capabilities they provide. The automatic generation rules have scaled the quantities, selected the relevant operations from the class, selected equipment, and calculated every set point accordingly. For instance, the roasting agitator speed has been transformed into RPM speed based on equipment size. The factory team can then import the newly generated master recipe into Production Link, where it is validated against the phases and parameters defined at the selected site. This validation ensures compatibility with the available automation equipment and factory resources. Once validated, the recipe can be sent to Simatic Batch or other batch engines. Within minutes, the recipe is ready for execution, streamlining a process that traditionally took weeks or even months. Through this seamless integration, Siemens empowers companies to accelerate production, improve agility, and maintain consistency across factories and product lines. In this last scenario, we'll explore how these integrated solutions streamline material substitutions across multiple products and factories. It begins when the purchasing team identifies an opportunity to replace an existing raw material with a more cost-effective, locally sourced alternative. They initiate a change request in EasyPlan, enabling the formulation for multiple products to be updated simultaneously. This process can impact tens or even hundreds of formulas at once. Thanks to automated recipe transformation rules, the system generates new master recipes for all the affected sourcing units. These newly generated recipes are then seamlessly validated through Production Link, ensuring compliance with the local batch engines and automation systems at each site. Once validated, they can be imported directly into the factory systems, ready for execution. This approach not only saves significant time and effort, but also ensures consistency and precision in implementing large-scale changes across the supply chain. By automating what was once a labor-intensive and error-prone process, it empowers businesses to adapt quickly to market dynamics while maintaining high standards of quality and efficiency.
These scenarios demonstrate the transformative power of Siemens's digital thread for enterprise recipe management. By seamlessly connecting R&D to factory operations, this integrated solution delivers unparalleled efficiency, agility, and precision. Automated processes and seamless recipe transformations significantly reduce the time required to introduce new products or implement changes. Visibility into factory capabilities and resources unlocks smarter supply chain strategies, enabling rapid adaptation to disruptions or new opportunities. Standardized frameworks and automated rules ensure recipes are accurately tailored for specific factories and batch sizes, while maintaining corporate standards. Touchless workflows eliminate time-consuming manual tasks, reducing errors, and freeing up valuable resources. The ability to efficiently handle mass updates, new product introductions, and site-specific optimizations empowers companies to scale innovation without compromising quality. With Siemens' enterprise recipe management solution, consumer packaged goods companies can confidently navigate the challenges of today's dynamic market, ensuring agility, resilience, and sustained competitive advantage.